Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of Fitous Thai Kitchen. Today we've got another green curry themed dish, and that's khao pad gain Killan. So that's a special fried rice mixed with green curry paste to make an awesome dish bursting with flavour. So if that sounds good to you, and of course you know it does, stick around after this.
Hello, welcome to Fitous Thai Kitchen. Today we're going to make khao pad gang Killan. We use the curry paste leftover from last video. Yeah, and just for the change, right? If you don't like the coconut milk or this one a little bit dry, you can do the packed lunch while you go to work, right? And then only very easy how to make it. We use just 1 tablespoon of curry paste.
For the recipe for the green curry paste, you can find it here.
And then prawns, we use prawn today. Just get both of the chicken. And then sweet chilli, sweet basil, fish sauce, and a pinch of sugar. That's it. And don't forget a bowl of rice. And then the most important, aubergine. Okay. You remember why we have to soak in the water?
So it doesn't turn black.
Yes.
Don't make me censor this one like the other one. With your naughty, fruity language.
Okay. Right. Okay, all the ingredients. Okay, let me get the bowl of rice. Okay. We use a bowl of rice leftover from last night, or you can use the fresh one.
That's it?
That's it. ไม่อยากพูดมากผมพูดไม่เป็น
Make a change from you. You usually like to put mine.
I ไม่อยากพูดมาก โอเค
One second.
We warm the wok first. Must be very hot, this one. And put the vegetable oil. You can see it's very hot. And put the prawns, fresh prawn. Fry until the prawn already cooked, and then put curry paste. Then you can smell the curry paste touch in your nose. Don't turn your nose away, okay? And then you put rice. Turmeric powder. Then you can make more color. You fry for a few minutes, and then you put the fish sauce. Half tablespoon of fish sauce. But I'm going to put chicken seasoning powder. And then pinch of sugar. That's it. And then you mix it. Let me taste first. Not enough. Just salty. A little bit more. A little bit more fish sauce. Yep. And then you put aubergine. If you like aubergine more cooked, you can boil it. But this one I want aubergine become crunchy. But actually not enough cooked aubergine. Yeah. Normally you have to put the aubergine first, but I don't like become too overcooked. And then you put sweet basil and sweet chilli. Okay, and try but aubergine enough cooked. Okay, and then you're ready to serve.
Okay, let's try this. I've actually never had this dish before, actually. Let's say it looks good. There's some of the rice. Yeah, it's good. I like the crunch of the aubergines and the flavour of the green curry paste comes through. Here's the prawns. Definitely give this a try, guys. It's really good. All right, guys, we're at the end of another video. Thanks for watching. Keep liking, sharing, subscribing, and we'll see you again next week. Take care now. Bye.